Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to explain entrepreneurial competency. So, competency is nothing but it is a set of skill. So, entrepreneurial competency is nothing but here a set of skill which is required for an entrepreneur so that he will understand and know about some of the skill which is required skill which is there in the employees, and he must persuade them to work efficiently so that he can achieve the goal. So that is what entrepreneurial competence. So it is a set of skills. So it is a characteristics of a manager that lead to a demonstration of skills abilities which result in effective performance within an occupational area. So I'll give you an example. See, a parent put a child for a singing class. Uh, he uh, he 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 had made to join to a singing class because he has seen that singing talent in that particular child. ಸೊ ಆ ಒಂದು ಮಗುವಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಆ ಒಂದು ಸಿಂಗಿಂಗ್ ಟ್ಯಾಲೆಂಟ್ ಅವನಲ್ಲಿ ಅವನು ಆ ಮಗು ಹಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಅಥವಾ ಸಾಂಗ್ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇರುವಾಗ ಅವರು ಅದರೊಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಹಾಡುವಂಥದ್ದಾಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಅಥವಾ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಗಿರುವಂಥದ್ದಾಗಿರ್ಬೋದು. ಸೊ ಇದರಿಂದ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ, ಇಟ್ ಪರ್ಸುವೇಡ್ ದ ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಬೈ ಲುಕಿಂಗ್ ಎಟ್ ದಟ್ ಸ್ಕಿಲ್. ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಆ ಮಗುವನ್ನು ಒಂದು ಸಿಂಗಿಂಗ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸಿಗೆ ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಮಾಡುವಂಥದ್ದು. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆ ಟ್ಯಾಲೆಂಟ್ ಅನ್ನುವಂಥದ್ದು ಏನು ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ, ನೋಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ ಯಾರು, ಪೇರೆಂಟ್. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಆ ಮಗುವನ್ನು ಒಂದು ಸಿಂಗಿಂಗ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸಿಗೆ ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಮಾಡಿಸಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ಆ್ಯನ್ ಎಂಟರ್ಪ್ರಿನ್ಯೂರ್ ಕಾಂಪಿಟೆನ್ಸಿ ಹಿಯರ್. So it is a characteristics of a manager. It is that kind of skill is required for the manager, so that he know the employees. ಅವನ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರುವಂಥ ಎಂಪ್ಲಾಯೀಸ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಅವನಿಗೆ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಗೊತ್ತಿದ್ದು ಅವನೇನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗ್ತದೆ, ಅವರನ್ನು ಪರ್ಸುವೇಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗ್ತದೆ, ಆ ಸ್ಕಿಲ್ಲನ್ನು ಅವನು ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕಾಗ್ತದೆ. ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ಆ್ಯನ್ ಎಂಟರ್ಪ್ರಿನ್ಯೂರ್ ಕಾಂಪಿಟೆನ್ಸಿ. ಸೊ ಅಕಾರ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಯುನೈಟೆಡ್ ನೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಇಂಡಸ್ಟ್ರಿಯಲ್ ಡೆವಲಪ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಕಾರ್ಪೊರೇಷನ್, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ UNIDC, defines a competency is it is a set of skills related to the knowledge attributes that allow an individual to perform a task or an activity within a specific function or a job. It is a set of skills, it is a set of knowledge which is required, which allows an individual, ಒಬ್ಬ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿ ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂತ ಹೇಳಿದರೆ ಅವನಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ನಾಲೆಜ್ ಇರಬೇಕಾಗ್ತದೆ. ಆ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡುವಂಥದ್ದು ಹೇಗೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಥವಾ ಆ ವರ್ಕ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ನಾಲೆಜ್ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕಾಗ್ತದೆ. ನಾಟ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ನಾಲೆಜ್ ಈಸ್ ಸಫಿಷಿಯೆಂಟ್, ಬಟ್ ಹೌ ಟು ಪರ್ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ದಟ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ he should know about that. ಸೊ ಸ್ಕಿಲ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ರಿಕ್ವೈರ್ಡ್. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಇಂಡಿವಿಜುವಲ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, ಟಾಸ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಸ್ಕಿಲ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದ ನಾಲೆಜ್ which makes him to perform a task. That is what entrepreneurial competence. So there are three components here. One is knowledge, three main components here. One is knowledge, skill and the motive. So let us understand one by one. The first competency is the knowledge. So knowledge means it is a collection and retention of information in one's mind. So here it is information, either you may by reading or by observing or by seeing or by listening, you can collect some of the information which allows you to the information which allows you to retain that information in your mind. So knowledge is necessary for performing a task, but it is not just sufficient. Knowledge ಇರುವುದರಿಂದ ಖಾಲಿ ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರಂತ ಹೇಳಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. So I'll give you an example. For example, a person by reading, understanding the meaning of driving a car. See, for example, ಒಬ್ಬ ಡ್ರೈವಿಂಗ್ ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ತೊಗೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ, ಅಥವಾ ಒಂದು ಕಾರ್ ಡ್ರೈವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂತ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ. ಸೊ ಕಾರ್ ಡ್ರೈವ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಹಿ ಶುಡ್ ನೋ ದ ನಾಲೆಜ್. ಅಂದರೆ ಹೇಗೆ ಡ್ರೈವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಕ್ಲಚ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಏನು, ಬ್ರೇಕ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಏನು, ಎಕ್ಸ್ಲೇಟರ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಏನು, ಸ್ಟೇರಿಂಗ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡುವಂಥದ್ದು. ಸೊ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಏನು, ಫಸ್ಟಿಗೆ ಹಿ ಶುಡ್ ಗೆಟ್ ದ ನಾಲೆಜ್, ಹಿ ಶುಡ್ ಗೆಟ್ ದ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್. ಬಟ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ is not sufficient. So the person can describe how to drive a car, but more description will not enable the listener to drive a car unless something more than knowledge is there. So knowledge is not only sufficient, but to perform the task, what is required here, the knowledge is required. He should know the information. So information is required. So that is about the first competency, knowledge. Now the second one is a skill. Skill is the ability to demonstrate a system or the sequence of behavior which result in something observable and one can see. So a person with planning ability, a skill, can properly identify and the sequence of action to be performed to drive a car. So with the knowledge he will collect some of the information, but with the skill, it makes him to action, that is to perform, that is to drive a car. That is a skill is something which is observable, which can seen. That is a skill which is required to perform a task. Now the third competency which is required here is, that is motive. Motive is it is an inner urge to achieve one's goal. It is a goal achievement which directs a person to perform better and better. For example, a driving a car, one's urge to drive a car in the best manner, it helps him constantly by practicing driving a car. Daily ಅವನು ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗ್ತದೆ, ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗ್ತದೆ. By only practicing he can drive a car perfectly. So that is what the motive, that is the inner urge which made him to drive a car, that made him to practice daily to drive a car. That is the motive, that is the inner urge. So in order to perform the task like establishing and running industrial unit, all these competency are required. These are the three main competency required for an entrepreneur. The first one is knowledge. Knowledge is collecting the information, gathering the information. Second one is skill. Skill is which identify the sequence of action, that is a demonstration, a sequence. It is the ability to demonstrate how to perform, that is the skill. How easily he can drive the car, that is some skill which, the talent which required. The third one is the motive, that is the inner urge.